Okay, so first of all, I'm really sorry for my broken English. Hope you don't mind. Please try to adjust. And let me show you how you can add a recipe with recipe card plugin. There is two ways to you can add recipes in your website. One is you can add recipe from recipe card, all recipes, and add new. Let me clear it first. If you add a new recipe here, it will publish, but you won't be able to see the recipe in the front page. It will be hidden in your website. To publish it so that you can see it in the front page, you need to go to your post, all post, and then add a new post, then create a title, and then you can click this plus icon and browse for all and search for recipe card. So if you want to upload a existing recipe that you have already uploaded in recipe card, all recipes, you already added a recipe here. If you want to add that recipe and publish that recipe in the front page, then you need to select this widget, and here you need to select your recipe that you have already created in here. Okay, just like this. It will show like this. Okay, and then you can hit publish, and the post will automatically publish in the front page, or you will be able to see this recipe in the front page. So we want to create a new recipe from scratch by creating a post, and from here we want to add a new recipe. So let me go back, leave, and make it trash. So click on add new to add a new recipe from scratch. Then write your title here. Then you can write some description here, and if you want you can add a image from browse all. This one, like this. Upload, insert from URL, or select image, like this. After that you can add the recipe details. Just select this widget recipe card and drag and drop, and then click on media library to select your desired image. You can manage the template of the design, like from here the new design, simple design, or default design, like this. Then you can add your recipe details from here, hidden image, display print button, display print rest button. Then make all the contents in center, add your custom author name. Then you can add a video. The video will be uploaded here. You can upload a video from your file manager. Also you can insert a link here and hit enter, apply. After that, recipe details like courses, cuisines, difficulty level, you can also disable them, like this. Enable and disable them. Keywords or tags, cooking details, servings, preparing time. custom details, and then you can add a little bit description here. Then ingredients, one by one. You can add extra ingredients if you want. If you want, you can add a tagline here, just like this. Then you can add another ingredient section here, descriptions like this. Then you can add extra description lines here. You can add taglines here. I already told about the video section. You can add your note here. After that, you need to upload your post featured image. Like, select a featured image, this will show in the front page of your home page or any other pages like this, so it's important. Then you can select a category for your recipe, tags for your recipe, and that's it. Then you can hit publish. Okay, the recipe is already published. As you can see, the recipe is published. And if you go to home page, you'll be able to see the new recipe that I have just added. So this is how you can add a new recipe or upload a recipe in your website.